Charts YouTube channel. So today I'm going to analyze specifically Nifty only. So we will check today if you see in the market down by 531 points and Bank Nifty down by 1608 points. So let me start the analysis. You know my analysis moves from higher time frames to lower time frames. So in higher time frames, if we go, the market will always keeps on moving upside. But yes, there are small corrections which will come into the market. So let's give a glance on this market today. So if I say, let me mark the support and resistance. Uh, Resistance is always the part which is upper than the current market index value. So current is, wait, one is 17783. Unless until it is not crossing 17783, this is this month's highest. No upside movement is there, and downside movement, if I say, mm, wait, let me mark the downside movement from the weekly chart because that's pretty much clear more. See, fine, this one is downside around, if you see, 1809 is the downside today. 18, around this. If I see the movement, let me mark, if below than that, not this one, this is the gap which is already filled in weekly one, 16408, major downside support. Below than that is a free fall. And if you see the structure in, let us go into the daily one. Specifically, this is the highest point, 18609, 19th October, and today it is at point of this. So structure is high, low, high, low, high, low, high. This is in daily time frame, guys. Low, high, low, high, sorry, low. And this low is today is because of the market fear. If you see, the Indian shares tumble 3% on growing Russia Ukraine tensions. So this is one of the major factor by which the major selling come. And if you see, 531 is a very big point, 3% Nifty down. So most of the stocks are also down by 5 to 6%. HDFC 5% down, and in banking stocks 5 6, Federal Bank 6% down. So if see, the downfall will be for 1 2 or few days, like 3 5 days, then definitely huge potential is there for your investment perspective. And otherwise, let's see how the, if fall comes tomorrow, and how it will behave. uh, this one in daily one, 16687. Fine, guys, around this particular point, 16687, or you can say specifically 16728, there is a support. High chances the movement is upside. And if you see, there is a trend line which is going on, this one, guys. If I can say this one, or I will mark this one specifically, right? This is the trend line. And if you see, like, we will try to figure it out if this type of gap ups are there, big gap up, gap downs. So how market reacts during those gap downs. and I think see, just like if gap up is there, gap up, hmm, upside, then downside definitely come little bit. Similarly, if any gap down is there, see also here is the gap down. If I say 11,497 and 11,453, little bit gap down is there, sorry, again gap down is there, and in this particular gap down one candle form. Next day the candle which is formed is coming above than this point once a while. Similarly, I'm just trying to figure it out, any gap down is there anywhere else. See here, this gap down, this this is like COVID era gap down, then this gap down, if it is a big candle, little bit green candle, then again gap down, but green candle, then gap down. So it is not like that a free fall will always come, so don't be afraid for that, that free fall will always be there in Nifty. It's not like that. I am just trying to figure it out. Even like if gap ups are there, if you see 11,428, 11,590, so even 150 points gap up, next day the candle will come down little bit down to its price. So this is how the market structure will work. So market structure will always work like that. If suppose this is a line, this is the today's value, then definitely this will come, then this will come. It's not like that market will freely go upside or freely go downside. So market can never be zero. It's not uh, I'm just trying to figure it out. I went till 2018, 2017. If I am able, see here, this is one of the gap up we are able to see. Oh my god, sorry. See, this is the gap up. Let's check how this gap down, sorry, gap down forms, and how it market rates. See, one big gap down, 8361, then 8323 second gap down, then third gap down, fine. Then the market is upside little bit half time. So candles form, two three candles form, then upside will come. So market behaves like that, market structures behave like that. So if we see today's candle, like this is gap down, this is a red candle, little bit green candle, red candle, little bit upside is there, then downside green candles are there, then red candle, red candle, red candle, upside green candle, red candle, fine. This is again red candle. So high chances this gap will be filled within 2 to 5 days if this tension is a little bit withdrawn. Also, if I will show you, mm, today India USD is 16979 and this SGX Nifty is 6983. You should also watch these two indices. These indices will definitely help you because the high chances the gap up will come tomorrow morning. And if you are in negative side, like you have purchased CE, you can scare off. And if you are in a completely negative side and any gap down is there, just wait and watch. So because still the expiry takes time. Mm, Also, let's analyze only today's one, how today's it form. First red big red candle forms. So big red candle, then normal doji candle, then again a red candle, this is market structure. So then a little bit green candle, hope candle I can say, then red candle, and the small red candle. So also it's closed at around 16, not 16819, 16842. So let me mark 16842. Fine, 16430. And next one is 16959, not 16, and today it is running at 16992. If you see 16992 or around 17,000, let me mark specifically. This is the huge gap up will come. So if huge gap up will come here, fine, how the market will react? Option chain. Now the next target is option chain. We can predict it little bit from there how the market will perform. 17,000. If I say OI is more in call side, so call writer are more, and 17,000 call writer are more, put writer are less. Fine, we can assume. So they are actually squaring off also and adding it here. So if market comes to this 17,000 or 17,001, definitely they will scare off their position in hurry worry. So market will be upside till 17.2 or 17.2 to 300, because on this side the volume is less, but this side the volume is huge. So this is one of the reason, might be if gap up is there, the position will go to till this levels, and then again downside will be there. So this is how the Nifty is working. So tomorrow's level, let's find out R1, R2, R3 for tomorrow. If gap up is there, then first R1 is this, second R1 is, I can say specifically this is a major R1, second major R1 is, this one is second, this level, particular this level R2, 17303, and if beyond than that is limit is there, and downside is I have already marked. So this is how the trend is going on. So keep an eye on it, and guys, do like my video, do subscribe to my channel, do share the videos with those who are actually doing stock trading or option trading. One disclaimer from my end, I am not a SEBI registered person, so I am doing it for educational purpose, to give you the little bit views. So it might be helpful to you, will remove your fears and greeds, and will help you in your psychology and help you in building your technicals. And day by day, as you keeps on learning, your fear will be removed and you will start earning. And this is how the financial freedom will come and financial growth will come for a human. So have a nice day, guys.